Oh, it would help if I unmuted my mic. Howdy, howdy, how's it going? Alrighty. Go ahead and get started here. So, today we are once again working on messages. Who would have thought? But we're gonna try and get some stuff finished up here to hopefully have something functional for the Patreons tonight. So, I'm not sure what's going on with my dashboard right now. It's not updating viewers, which is weird because I can see in the other tab with it streaming that there is quite a few viewers here. So, we're just gonna hope Twitch is all good tonight. Yes, it's a pre-recorded stream. Y'all caught on to me. Also, what the? Why did it? Okay, no, you were supposed to play this album. That was weird. Oh, because I clicked the wrong button. That'd be helpful. All right, cool. Cool. I don't know why Firefox is doing his favorite thing again. Just gonna put you back there. Okay. Cool. So, if I still recall last time, we were pulling messages for everyone, or from everyone, not just the correct thread. So, that needs to be fixed. Okay, so let's take a look at the messages route here. So when we're getting a thread, how am I currently pulling stuff? Conversation at community ID. Okay. I mean, that should work in theory. Boop. Forgot to actually feed the Discord server when we went live. Okay, so why isn't this working? That's the big question right now. So you go into conversations. There's one conversation with that ID, so that is correct. Gonna double check the database here really quick, see what's going on. Does that look right to you guys? Cause it sure as heck don't look right to me. Did I misspell community ID? No? So what gives? Yeah, that works. So not. So if that is not pulling any messages because there is no message with that community ID, Where's it pulling these conversations from? Can my emojis be looked at? So, I was gonna reply to that. I just got back. I was working quite late tonight. The emojis isn't really something we're looking at right now, mostly just because it's more of a feature thing rather than a bug fix thing. So I want to get one-to-one feature parity with the stock Miiverse before we start adding additional functionality that didn't exist before. So something like emojis is something that's going to be on that list. So I'm not going to say that we're not going to look at it because that would be a lie, but it's going to be kind of put on the back burner for the foreseeable future, at least until we're up to speed, which I don't have an ETA. We don't do ETAs for a reason. So. But I still appreciate making pull requests. It's always fun to see what stuff people can come up with. Alright. So we need to look at this, because this isn't working correctly, and I'd like to know why. Community ID. Parent. Null. Yep. Limit offset. I'm blind. Limit 100, offset 0. Why is this pulling this? What's the, Because isn't conversation... Oh. Oh. Well, thank you, the Baconator. I appreciate that. We've been working hard on this for quite a long time now, so I'm happy that people appreciate it. My small brain forgot that they're not called community IDs anymore because I moved away from using communities and back to conversations being a separate thing. So, that's my bad. So, we gotta go. Oh wait, nope, this is the wrong thing. I don't need to be... Yeah, no. I need to be editing this because that doesn't exist. Cool. Alright, let's see if that fixed that. Okay. We're getting somewhere. What's the secret to making custom Miiverse applets? A lot of patience and a lot of dumb, awful, poorly written code. If you're curious, the WebKit version that the Wii U is using for the Miiverse applet is like equivalent to Chrome 20, if I believe. Either Chrome version 19 or Chrome version 20. So it's a little bit outdated. Okay. Well, let's see how it is we send a message, huh? How much you want to bet just crashed? Yep. Where'd you crash? Can't read properties of null reading ID. The ID is null. Why is the ID null? Oh, wait. Okay, so that should at least stop the crash, but that doesn't fix the problem. Oh, oops. Me when coding actually works. Yeah, it's never going to work. It will never work on the first try, and if it does, I'll drink to that. So why don't you work? Undefined. Why are you undefined? You shouldn't be doing that. Oh. It's the same typo I made. Oh, Lord. I edited wave, put on the nano, you bricked, we edit, unbricked itself 3 hours later. That's weird, Brandon. I don't know why it unbricked itself. But yeah, you shouldn't be messing around with Nintendo Network Olive, especially if you're messing around in OS v10. You don't want to mess around in OS v10 with that. You will cause a lot of issues. John did it, somehow didn't brick. None of us understand why, but every single other time that it's been done, it has bricked. So, anyways. Alright, let's see if I fixed it, chat. Okay. Refresh. Why is it gone? Did it not create a new message? It didn't. I mean, if your creative process is depression and emotionally beating yourself to death, that's probably not a good or healthy thing, I would personally say, but I mean, everyone has their own process, I guess. But if you're really being that hard on yourself, you should probably rethink what you're doing, because if you don't love what you're doing, that's fair. Mac user, you know what, Shutterbug? Fight me. It's not even a real Mac. It's a pretend Mac. Can I do this without showing off my serial number? Probably. There we go. See? iMac Retina 5K 27-inch 2017. That is 100% what this is right now. It's definitely not a desktop PC. 100% totally. The worst part is I have an M1 MacBook. Okay, I'm probably buying one for the school year because my... Oh god, do I even have it? Hold on, I can grab it really quick. Y'all ready to see something cringe? Take a look at a 2013 MacBook Pro that is made with not one, but 2 different machines worth of parts. This thing is a monstrosity of a machine, and the hinge is very tight, but it does work. And it is running Monterey at the moment. I have not gotten Ventura working on it yet, but I'm going to. The battery of this thing is shot, the screen is half destroyed, and the thing runs slower than a dying caterpillar. But it does work. And this is my daily driver for school. Even though, you know, I have like a Surface Pro 3 right here that I could be using. But I just choose not to because I hate the keyboard. The woes of being a software and hardware nerd and having way too much stuff that you don't know what to do with it. Because that's only 2 of the laptops that I have. I've got one more out in the living room. That's an HP EliteBook. I got like 4 more Windows laptops in my parents' place. Oh, I lied. There's an entire stack of MacBooks in my living room that I have to go through yet. And an Apple TV. 1st gen. Because that's another thing that me and my girlfriend wanted to look at one point and we just never did. Could more MeMaker features be possible? I don't know. I'm not the person that works on it. I believe that's Monty for the most part, so you can talk to them. Anyways, I think I fixed the problem. So, sent, refresh, it's still not there. Undefined, document.id, undefined, where are you printing an undefined? I feel like I'm blind. Oh, that's from the Git. So conversation.community. Lol. That's where that undefined is being printed. But why are you not working? Messages post 200. See, that stereotype would be correct, except for the fact that I have not one girlfriend, but also a boyfriend. So, and another girlfriend. So, I don't mean to be one of those people that brags, but I think I'm gonna be one of those people that brags. Oh, Lord. Okay, so. Why doesn't this stupid thing work? So conversation.id, that's there. Cool. Is it just like failing to make the post or something? Problem with being a Nintendo nerd. Nintendo, you're right. Sucks all the fun out of it. Okay. That's a community ID. Is that the same one that's right here? It's not! Where on earth is it getting this community ID from? Why are you just pulling a random community ID out of your thin air? Is it? I'm wondering if it's like rounding out the conversation ID number even though it should be a string. Okay. Hey chat. Where's the community ID? Why is it not being sent? What in the blazing hex? Blake strings are the best. Well, because it's in here. If you click on this. Why is that ID empty? Shutter, I think I'm the idiot here. Because I think I know exactly what's wrong, and I'm very upset at myself for not noticing it sooner. And the answer is yes. Guess who forgot to update the variable name when she changed the variable name? and the 3 locations that's critical that has that ID. I'm gonna light myself on fire. That was it. 100% that was it. Oh my god. That was the dumbest bug in the world. I'm an idiot, you guys. Yes, let me rework the entire object structure for this. I bet nothing will go wrong. Forgets to update the object in the places where it matters. Is there any other things I did that's stupid in here? Nope, great. I updated it in here. Why didn't I update it in the message thread one? Ah. Honestly, I should probably do a better way of pulling the conversation ID. Like, I could probably pull it from the URL, which would be a better way to do it, but... When you find out the fix was the most easy thing... You're right. It was the most easy thing in the world. And the easiest thing in the world, the easy fix, was me not realizing I didn't replace 3 strings. Ah. God, I hate that. Oh well. It works. We're good. Here, you know what? Let's break out the Wii U. So I break everything. My girlfriend Max is actually putting a 10,000 milliamp hour battery in one of these things. So she got it working on hers. She needs to redo it just a little bit. But it should be working soon, and she's going to do it for me too. Yay. Also, you guys ready for this? Look at this layout. Ayo. Wii U in the corner. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed. Do you see the shelves I put up? I got a bunch of my stuffed animals out, and I got some shelves up. And I think it looks really nice. I'm not sure why it's a static color right now. Oh no, it isn't. I'm just blind. Okay. I hate Fiddler Everywhere with a passion. Yes, use Fiddler Classic. Let me just do that really quick on my Hackintosh machine. And for the record, I did try running it through Wine on this thing. And it didn't work. How much is this god-awful piece of software? $12 a month? What the hell is this crap? Do they think this is a joke? Fiddler team, I know that you guys are all decent people back there, okay? I know that this is just some corporate BS, trying to make the bottom line whatever, This is the dumbest thing I have ever seen. Period. I pay $10 a month to be a tester. Okay, here's the difference though. Us Pretendo devs are all volunteers who are not paid to do this. And we have to pay to keep the servers up. So every single penny of the Patreon's money goes into those server costs in order to allow us to actually develop this stuff. Or to pay for our CDN for the testers. So all that money is used. Where is this money going? That's what I want to know. I'm not paying for this crap. Are you kidding me? There's got to be a crack for this. Jemma speedruns getting banned on Twitch for pirating software. Lol. We're just gonna edit the, how to become broke, pay for Fiddler everywhere. See, the thing is I have $55 to my name until next Thursday. Pretendo does not condone piracy. We do not condone piracy. I am not pirating the software. I am borrowing it. There is a key difference. When I get paid on Thursday, I will buy the license. I promise. That is a guarantee. I will post a screenshot of it on the Discord server if you guys don't believe me. But I literally cannot dish out $10 right now. My rent literally came out today, and that was over $1,000 just gone. So, cut me a little bit of slack, please. And no one clip this. There's a reason I'm not doing this on screen, so I have plausible deniability. I mean, what? Oh, no. Go away. You have to post the front and the back of the credit card, too. Yeah, don't worry, don't worry. All I wanted to do was test this. That's all I wanted to do. I had to pay for frickin' software. This is why I will forever be a open source software developer. Because paying for software is dumb. Support developers, help people make software, but if you put your software behind a paywall, like, period, with no ever intention of ever going public with it, because like ours is behind the paywall so we can like pay for servers. Charles Proxy, I already set up the Okay, but you also have to pirate that. That's also paid software. Wait, can I just make another account? Is that a thing? Because I'd rather just do that and then just buy it next week. Okay, you know what? We just don't get to, we're not gonna crack Fiddler everywhere. This is too much work to do on a stream. So, sorry Wii U. You get to be sad. Sad. Okay, well... Jemma, I'm about to pull a Snap Cube. Who's Snap Cube? I don't know that. Yeah. Okay. Oh wait, here's a thought. I get an in-private window here and sign into Juxt on here. Big brain chat. I don't know why I didn't just do this to begin with. But whatever. JK, that's too much effort. Okay. Here, let's make a new conversation. We're just gonna assume that the other user, it works fine. We're just gonna assume that. Actually, big brain idea. Do we have any patron testers in the chat right now? Like literally anyone in the beta in chat at the moment. I'm about to pull a pro gamer move here. Yeah, I'm about to make you guys, at least a couple of you guys, get the Wii U's out, because we're gonna make a group chat as soon as I deploy this new thing. So we're gonna go yeet, yeet. We're doing this live. Yeet. You don't get to see that screen. Oopsies. I don't think it leaked anyway. No. Oh, I capitalized it. Cool. Okay, we are deployed. Who's a tester in chat right now? And if you're in chat right now, let me know your Pretender Network ID so I can create a conversation. You can. It's already deployed, so you can go ahead and hop on Juxt. Do we have anyone in the chat right now that's a tester? Cool. Alright, guest. Get your user ID here. Oh no, there's oh no. Oh, there's so many conversation IDs. Oopsies. Jemma broke everything. That's okay. Oh my god, how many did I make? Okay. We're going to duplicate. No, I didn't. I accidentally copied it. I'm a dumbass. Alright. Ah! Don't yell at me. What the heck? Why aren't you finding that? That's weird. I love it when my admin panel breaks. It's a pretty good gamer moment. Oh, oops. And I'm searching on the wrong database now. Whoopsies. I promise you guys I'm good at this. Okay. Conversations. Clone. Let's see. Okay, that's what I thought. Okay. All right. Did that work? Oh, that crashed. Oh no. Oh. Why did the... Why did it just terminate the database connection? Anyways, that was weird. It did appear to work. It didn't update the message preview for some reason, which is odd. But it did work. So, our lovely friend guest here, did you get the message? Because that's the real test here. Why is Juxt War Plaza so impossible to fix? Because we don't entirely know how it works. Like, we know how it works, we don't entirely know how it works. So, War Plaza is a boss task. So boss is the internal name for... It's either... No, it's Spot Pass, not Street Pass. Street Pass is with 3DS. So... Oh, cool, you got the message. Did you send a message back? Hey! The timestamp isn't updating, but that's not important. Okay, it's a button that needs to be... Messages isn't ready yet. Wow. Okay, I haven't even made a button. I still have to manually make conversations. All right, Shutter. You know what? What's your PID? I'll make a conversation with you right now. You have like 2 accounts in Juxt. Okay. Okay. That's fair. You happy? They didn't break everything. That is inappropriate conduct. Guest, you are banned. Oh no, that didn't get marked as red. Another thing that needs to be fixed. Okay, cool. Okay. Two things to fix. 1. Timestamp not updating. 2. Message not being marked as red. 3. The verified check mark isn't there. Okay. Let's fix the timestamp first, because that's the easiest. I think. So, last updated. That would be why. It is a typo on my end. Okay, we're gonna add another function here. Here, we'll do this. Because I'm lazy. Okay. So if the PID 0. I suppose I don't need these. Oops. Okay. User 0, PID is that. Yeah. Oh yeah. Now you have to do. I forgot. I need to do that. Why do I use a const there? Does that work? Okay. So yeah, if that is equal to that one, then mark it as red. Because it's already marking as unread when a message is sent correctly, which is good. Yeah. Okay, so that should fix the timestamp and the marking as red, but I do need to call that when a message is viewed. What did I just call this function? Mark as red. Or request. Okay. We'll do that after we render, just to make sure that doesn't block rendering, because that shouldn't matter. Okay, cool. That's That's only gonna work on my end though, so I'll have to redeploy that. Did you sanitize your HTML? Yes, Shutter. I did sanitize my HTML because I am a smart Tanuki and I know better. I also appreciate the solid black drawing that you sent me. I'll cherish it forever. Actually, I just realized, why are the... Wait, what? What do you mean not on your end? You did not. Is the Wii U? Is the Wii U displaying it without sanitizing it? I've tested that before and it... We're gonna test this. That shouldn't be happening. Maybe it's because I'm the sender. Maybe? It's because I'm the sender. Does it happen when you timed out. Hold on. Does that happen no matter what? Wait, why didn't that send a message? What? What? Hold on. Okay, so it's only a display thing. It doesn't actually do it on the other end. I know why it's happening. I'm slightly annoyed that it's happening. But that's okay. So what's happening is instead of refreshing the page or something when a new message is sent, I'm directly creating a new HTML element with the contents of the string in it. So I wasn't sanitizing strings on the client side. I was only doing it server side in the rendering process. So what that means is that we get to debate, do we want to sanitize these inputs client side, even though we know that as soon as the page is refreshed, they're going to go away and that doesn't impact the other user. I'm kind of indifferent about it. What's the easiest way to do this client side? Well, yeah, that's why I'm kind of leaning towards it doesn't matter, because you're only explaining yourself. Because you refresh the page, and it doesn't do it anymore. Yeah, you're right. I don't want people thinking that we don't sanitize, because we do. Because you can do the same thing in your user page. If you go on here. Why did I make this the way it is? Yeah, I broke this, that's why. Here. We'll make a community post, just to prove my point. Oh. That's a new one. Oh, it's because I'm on desktop. I don't have a, RAM pack. You all get the point. it doesn't work in posts. Like it just does not work. Oh, I crashed the server. That's why. I should probably check for that. Well, actually, it usually doesn't make it past auth, so it's not a big deal. If you crash my server, any one of you, I'm going to fix it. Okay. Okay. Is that a challenge? I'm sure it's quite easy to crash the server because I'm sure there's tons of bugs that I haven't fixed because that's the way that gigantic overbloated programs end up working out. Anyways, so this is you can laugh at this code. This was like one of the first functions that was ever written for Juxt. Like, this is from the legacy code base, not even the current code base. This is just migrated over. So I haven't touched any of this, just for the record. So this is how I'm doing this, which is a terrible, awful, lazy way to do this. Mostly because, what the hell is any of this? This is all awful, and I shouldn't be doing this. And in fact, I'm going to fix it right now. And I hope that I can maybe solve this problem? Howdy, Galaxy Star. How's it going? Heck yeah. Sounds like fun. Okay, so I did this. Swear words are uncensored. Is that supposed to happen? If it gets picked up by the Wii U's... Actually, wait, am I not checking that? I'll be darned, I'm not. Oops. First. Post. Post, 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 post. What did I call that function? I don't remember what I called that function. That's that. That's load screenshots. Text input. Oh, on change. Yep. This function, this right here. I'll do that for this. Because it should have been in the first place and I forgot. What is the English version of that string? I need to figure out how I want to do localization for alerts in these. I might have to do environmental variables and then just have it load just load the actual JS file so that I can reference them directly. That might be the best way to do it. I don't know yet. We'll see. Translations, English. So that's how we worded it. Okay. I'm just gonna copy this because I'm lazy. I love the LED strip just randomly hanging off the shelf. Yeah, it's a little broken. I need to redo it. The setup was bad. Oh, the one on the top fell more too. Heck. Okay, well, one more of them fell off than I initially anticipated had fallen off. So, oops. Okay, anyways. I thought I launched some settings on this thing. Weird. So now this will check for doing a heck and swear. So if I... You know, stop writing terrible code would be the actual solution to all my problems, but... I think when I inject it like this, it does actually do some sanitization. I don't remember for sure, so we're gonna find out together. Yeah, that's probably fine. Last swear word on Juxt ever real. Okay. Oh, it still does it. I don't want to do client-side sanitization when it's literally irrelevant. Okay. There's no way this isn't gonna suck. So I don't know. What do you guys think? I'd like to hear your input. Do you guys think that it matters if we sanitize this on the client side? I don't know. I'm kind of torn on it, personally. Yeah, it's the thing is it only shows up when you initially send the message. It does not show up once the page has been refreshed. It does not show up on the other person's side when they receive the message. It is strictly a cosmetic bug. So that's why I'm torn. Should we do a poll? I don't actually... Can I do polls on Twitch? Is that a thing? That'd be cool if it was. Pretty sure there's a command for this. I just don't know how to use it. /vote. Oh, there's a poll overlay. Oh ho ho. Wait, do you have to be like a partner or something for that? I don't know how this works. Yeah, does anyone know? Do I actually have to be like a Twitch partner to use polls? affiliates and partners via the creator dashboard. You're telling me just because I'm not an affiliate or a partner, I can't make a poll in chat? That is honestly the dumbest thing I've ever heard. Not quite as dumb as Fiddler Everywhere wanting $12 a month. But still pretty far up there. Guess you gotta hope people don't copy paste random script tags in chat. It's not gonna be a problem. What do you mean by that? Well, yeah, I mean, I could do an external link, but, like, no one's gonna vote on that. Howdy, Gary. Welcome to the chat. Or welcome to the stream. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, I think for now it's not worth it. What I am gonna do though. Why are the timestamps not working? I thought I fixed. Oh. Well, that breaks this on desktop. I thought I had a... Did I not have something for this? Okay, apparently I didn't make a global variable for this, so... Pretty sure there was a function. Yeah. Was it a negative number? That's too complicated. I just need to... Why did that? If you why is... Huh. Why does this not work? This is not sorting correctly. So that's a few seconds ago, that's a minute ago, and that's days ago. Why is that happening? Is it not being... Oh. It would help if I gave it the right thing. Oops. Yeah, I didn't deploy the filter yet. You show up as me in messages? Really? Oh, that also didn't mark it as red. Where am I showing up as you in messages? Like everywhere? Or just in like a specific location? Because that's not happening for me anywhere here. On the main messages screen. So on this screen. But not inside the message thread. This shows the correct spot. That's odd. Let's take a peek. Oops. So user.id2 string. If it's equal, it should be user 1. If it's not equal, it should be user 0. No, it's not a hard-coded ID. I know that. Is this not calculating out right sometimes? Because 1, 2, 3, 4. If it was a hard-coded ID, it wouldn't be showing up, or I would also be seeing all these messages as me on here, but it's not. So for whatever reason, because in this case it knows that it's user 1, so it's saying true user 1. If it's false, it should be user 2. Because in all these arrays that I've made, I'm user number 1. So user 1. So that's true, it's user 1. So user 2, so user 0 is not me. So this is false. So that means user 0 is the other person. But if that is true, user 0 is equal to your ID, that's true, and that should be user 1. So yeah, that should be correct. Because if I flip these, it should show me in all the messages. Yeah, so is this what it looks like for you guys? So why is that? Because that's not... I haven't changed the string since starting the stream. Pretendo runs on DigitalOcean. I wonder if the EGS files just don't like this expression. We're here. Okay. This should still work. Yeah. You're right, I should deploy it now, except for the fact that timestamps aren't showing up on messages for the opposite user, which is odd. Yeah, the timestamp's there. Message.created at. Is it in the HTML? Oh, it's just off screen. Odd. This is random music now. Do this. Okay. Hold on. Network patcher patches SSL. So maybe I don't actually need to have a proxy running right now. Let's see if this works. Not. Ew. That's a new one. Well, the Wii U plugs or connects to the network. It just, for whatever reason, can't open Miiverse. Well, okay, I tried. But that's not helpful right now. Okay, why is this not? Why is it not being marked as red? Do I need to do is like a marked as changed? I forget. This was a problem I ran into a long time ago. Oh shoot! Didn't someone say that earlier? That I forgot to do await save? I think someone said that earlier, and I completely skimmed over it. Still not working. That should be correct. I don't know if I can play this music, so we're gonna do that. I think I can play that. Okay. Pretty sure there's like a marked as change. This was a problem. I remember this being a problem. Oh, I see. Okay. Oh, need you. That should be. Users.red. That should work. So yeah, that should probably work. A 3DS War Plaza would be a cool homebrew thing. Oh! Huh. Oh. Huh. Still not doing it. Am I doing it wrong? I'm pretty sure that logic is sound. Unless I'm misinterpreting it for some reason. I'm genuinely not sure why it's not being updated. Let's see what's happening here, shall we? Okay. Red, true, true, true. Wait. If it's... Hold on a second. Red, true, and true. Okay, something is up here. And I am clearly missing something. So I can mark this stuff as red. So why would she work? Does the PID need to be something different? Oops. No, I didn't mean to do that. No. Stop it. Okay, true, 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 true. Why is it? Okay. So, I'm currently set as red false. Red I have this backwards. This entire logic is backwards. When something is being marked as red false, then it's not showing that. So when red is true, it's showing the dot, which means that this is backwards. And for some reason, I got that logic correct in this. I got the wrong logic correct from PID. How did I even manage to pull that off? I mean, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So that should be correct now. So if red is equal to... Yep, that's backwards. Okay, see you, guest. Thanks for sticking around. So now it's showing these in the opposite way, which is correct. But if I click on this, and I go back, why don't you work? Red, false. Red, true. True, false. Wait, hold on. True, false. True. Why didn't you update? We do make the dumbest mistakes sometimes. You are very, very right about that. Oh. I didn't put it back. So I just once again inverted it.
Of course I met Jared. The one who took you away from me. You hit it off instantly. I know cause you won't stop telling me.
Okay, it works.
Shoulders and muscles push against his fashion sense. I've thought about what he looks like nude. Not gay though.
And now it's the top of the list.
She's living the dream.
Okay.
She's living the dream. Back when we were 17.
Cool.
She's living the dream.
Timestamp is now being updated. Message is being marked as read. Verify checkmark is what I need to do next. Which shouldn't be too bad, I don't think. Because if I do this pro gamer strat, where's the post template? There you are.
He's in your bed and I'm in your Twitch chat. I've got the key and he's just
Is this how I want to do it? Yeah, this is how I want to do it.
even though he's got social skills, that doesn't mean I can't pay the bills. Anyway, make the most of him. 'Cause she moves on pretty bloody quick. Oh, oh. Your new boyfriend's an asshole.
What if I do a real pro gamer strat of where is it? You. Yeah, that'll work. Oh, hey Mario. Welcome to the stream. I am the best programmer, except for the fact that now that's offset because I didn't think about the consequences of my actions. So what if I do an awful thing? Actually, do I even need this? I don't. Cool. Oh, I need to update that offset though. How do I want to do that? I could just. Doesn't increase the width of it, which is lame. No such thing as illegal CSS because the whole language should be illegal. You're right. CSS is a crime against humanity. Don't question why this is a background image either. I haven't gotten around to fixing it. Can I do a like a margin? Can I pull that? Nope. Okay. Nope, that doesn't help me. Okay. So I guess I just gotta. This is not going to be pretty no matter what. But I don't care. Does that fix it? Yay! I suppose I should probably put the verified stuff on the inside part here, huh? Oh wait, we don't even do that anymore. Why am I even bothering? Okay. That probably works. Nope. Why didn't that work? Oh. What the heck? Hold on a second. Yeah, so if it's the icon, it should be... Huh. Why is that? Oh. I understand what I did.
Girl, don't you stop till you're my girl, and I won't stop it until you're my girl, and you can't stop it until you're my girl, and I can't find out what you want, what you got. I got that honey pie, come bite it. Bring your own fork, girl, you know I don't provide it. Girl, don't you stop taking honey pie, honey pie.
You're all good, Galaxy Star. I know how it goes sometimes. Lettuce had a very cursed idea. This is going to break so much, probably. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, that's not perfect, but it ain't too bad. I'll take it. Why isn't Shutterbug? Imagine doing CSS program. You know what, Shutter? Are you still in chat right now, or is that old? I can't even tell. My stupid CSS is broken. 2 minutes ago. I know you're in the chat right now. Got my eyes on you. Yeah, I see you. I see you. Don't kappa me, whatever. I don't. So I'm genuinely confused as to why this works for me. This doesn't work for other verified users. Because in the message thread, user chewed.official verified inside the class if official verified badge. User 2. That's the user we're looking at. I'm pretty sure the name of the object we need is official. Yep. I'm really not sure what's up with that. Wait. Are you not a Shutter? Do I not have you marked as official on Juxt of all places for some reason? It should have automatically done that in your... How old is your Juxt account? Because I just realized you might have done that before I started pulling that data from the account server. It might be that old. Oh, that's terrifying. Yep. Because you weren't marked as official in the database for some reason. This is why we're moving away from this model. There we go. That's a lot better. Okay. It's not perfect, but it's pretty dang good. I'm not sure why it's like randomly not jumping to the bottom. If it's back from the first beta, it's probably incredibly broken. I'm going to be doing a database wipe in a not so distant future, so don't worry too much. But why is this not scrolling to the bottom? Oops. I forget how to jump to the bottom of a page. There's a function for it that I've used before inside. Oh, yeah. Um, hmm. I see. Okay. So I just need to do. I just gotta add that real quick. Once again, I'm working on it, Shutter. I need to redo the entire thing. I wrote all of this a long time ago, um, just to set the record straight. Why is that? Hmm. I. God, now I have to think. Timed. No, I don't want it. Okay, I need to think about this. So. How did this work? I knew this hacky kind of thing that I used to do apparently at one point. It'll work. Yeah, that's so hacky. Yeah, and it didn't clear it, which was my fear. I don't know why it's not jumping to the bottom. Oh, I'm not. Scroll head's not defined. Oops, daisy. You know what? We're just gonna. Yeah. We'll just actually. Actually, no, never mind. I'm overthinking. Ignore me. This ought to work. Temporary code forever slash. Oh, that's another thing I should fix, the dots. Because the message preview... Actually, am I generating that in the conversation? I am. Why am I doing that in here? Let's see, dot. So ah, wait. Okay, there we go. Did I just break it? No? What'd I do? Oh, it's been an hour again. Show my... I was using that. I was using that function. Are you serious right now? Ugh. Fine. It clearly wasn't doing anything, but whatever. Okay. Did I do that right? Okay. Why am I doing var here? That's lame people stuff. Oh. Oh, that works. Okay. Yeah, why did I do that here too? Why was... Oh, wait. Because this is a Wii U. Running WebKit version 20. If I type a single lead in here, everything's gonna die. Good. Okay. Kind of forgot about that small, crucial detail. That was weird. Hey, there we go. Okay. Hey, cool. Alright, so our previews work. That is now updated. Okay. That's pretty dang good. I'll take that. So. I think that's all the backend stuff that needs to be done. I think we just need to add the thing on the page that's like, hey, if you are following this user and they are following you, then yeah. Back in my day, we didn't have flex boxes or whatever the hell you kids are into. Yeah, yeah. Except that's my entire life, Mario. That's my entire life with the Wii U and the 3DS. Literally, WebKit version 20. Right? Okay, that's what this runs on. WebKit version 21 introduced flex boxes. And that was released a mere months after the WebKit version that's used in the Wii U was released. That close. That close to not having to write absolute garbage CSS in order to abuse the hell out of tables. I understand that I chose it. Okay, actually, no. No. I didn't choose this path of suffering. I got roped into this all because I made a dumb script to generate the icons for Wara Wara Plaza. That's where all of this started. And now I'm here, 3 years later, developing a social media platform from scratch. Mostly solo. Yeah, same difference. Same difference. You're right. I did this to myself. Oh my god. What have I done, chat? What have I done? Yeah, you can actually generate icons for the Wii U Hub. I wrote the script years ago. I'll pull it up. You guys can see the most bare bones Python script that is dumb. Because it is dumb. Where'd it go? Wait, did I have a pin still? Okay, no, I didn't. That's a good thing. There it is. This is the thing that started it all. 3 years ago. There's a single pull request that makes the script infinitely better. Screw it. Yeet. This was only made months and months ago. Just updated the commit 11 months ago. 3 months ago. There's a better version of the original script. Congratulations, it's now better. There's a single fork of it, and it's actually just, I think, this exact same. Oops. Can I... Why is it? Interesting. Oh. I'm dumb, never mind. You get the point. This thing is garbage. Don't make files with this and learn to write better code. Learn from my mistakes. Wait, where is it at then? Because hold on. Oh. That's why I couldn't view the fork. Whatever. It doesn't matter right now. What matters is this works. I'm glad someone else agrees. Huh. You know what, Shutter? You're right. It could be Flipnote Studio. I played with that once in my life. I was in a call with, who was it? Oh god, it was that long ago. Pseudofox was doing a live stream and I was on a call with them, and I was playing with it while they were working on a very, very, very early version of Pseudomemo. There was actually, if you didn't know, that started out in a Facebook group. So that's how long it's been around, and that's how long I've been in this scene. Which terrifies me just a little bit. I wonder if I'm still in that Facebook group. I don't want to dox myself, but I'm curious if it's on there. Camera froze? Hello? It looks fine on OBS. So not... Is Flipnote 3D worse than the DSi? Because isn't the DSi is just like interpretation. It's not like real web view. It's all kind of static, isn't it? Or not static, but like it's the, if I recall, it's really dumb. That's all. It's been a long time since I've messed with it. Okay, let's see. Is oh, I found it. Okay. Is there anything that will dox me on this page? I don't believe so. As far as I can tell. Here, we'll even do this. There you go. There's where it started. The original Facebook group. Dead now, but... Don't have closing tags in places. Dead. Yeah, that sounds about right. Okay. So I guess the only thing left for messages right now is to implement actually being able to send them for the first time, huh? I think that's it. Ugh. How long have we been going for? About 2 hours, 1 minute. Oh my god, it's 10 o'clock. Okay, we'll only go for like 15 more minutes because I have work early tomorrow and I have to drive home to my parents' place. Oh, I'm sure she has plenty of horror stories. I I do not envy you guys. I might be suffering through hell here. You guys are in the trenches down below. I do not want to touch that. I will easily take this any day because at least I have like kind of modern JS. Kinda. Not really, but you know, I can pretend. I can lie to myself that it's okay. All right, so the mobile apps we worked on this, but oh, I would very much imagine that modifying mobile apps sucks. I have never tried it before. I have actually, what was it? Mitamoto or whatever it's called. Yeah, I think I tried that patcher once on Android, never on iOS, even though I have like a billion different Apple products lying around, but whatever. I bet it is a meme. Nintendo isn't always the brightest cookie. Okay. Clear all this for a minute. User page. Okay. Yeah, okay. Let's... That's fair. I'm sure that's not going to be a fun time. Ugh. Okay. Didn't mean to do that. Why are you screaming? Statement. Oh, oops. Gotta protect the microtransactions somehow, right? Yeah, God. Don't even get me started on microtransaction BS. It gives me actual, literal brain rot. I... Oh, sorry. Just get the message. What is this? I hate to break it to you folks. Never heard of this person in my life. That's, yeah, a little sus. Little bit sus. Oh, dear lord. Yeah, hold on. I think we need to watch this video.
What is Wii
Text-to-speech.
Wii is an alternative to Nintendo Network and Pretendo, with the intention to be an upgrade of Nintendo Network. With applications like Miiverse upgraded to new apps, Miiverse will have a Wii U app and a mobile/web app. This will be a new social app, but you can use Miiverse things in Wii U, and all Miiverse things, and all global applications of Wii U will have very upgrades and will be reloaded. YouTube will have all functions of the TV app, Netflix will have an app who works, and will be apps like Amazon Prime Video, Paramount Plus, Qvana 3, Disney Plus, to make your Wii U a powerful entertainment console, and all game servers will work again, like Super Mario Maker servers will work again. But our team can't make it alone. If you are a programmer, we need your help. We need your help to create this and reload the Wii U. If you can program in HTML5, JavaScript, C++/C#, or something, please enter on our group and help us to create Wii. You can enter in https://gabotemp.net/group/200/info to enter into the group page and solicited your space as a member.
Now, chat. I have a quick question for you. How long before these people take over the world and overthrow us? Because clearly they are the superior Wii U replacement server dev team. No, I'm not gonna join and see. Yeah, Netflix more like good luck with DRM. Literally. Good luck. Oh. Did this crash the server? Hey Mario, why does your account crash the notifications? Do other accounts do that? Oh, they're all doing that. That's new. Um. Oh. It's because I'm in the middle of editing this page. That would be helpful. Okay. Yeah, that's because your account was created before you, or the me profile pictures were being generated, I think. So you just have to, like, remake, basically edit your me in, like, a tiny way, save it, and then it'll regenerate the profile picture and it'll show up. Play Ash's playlist? Does someone have a link to it? I can play it. I'm on Apple Music, I'm on a Spotify, sorry. I kinda ditched them after the whole InfoWars stuff, so... Okay. What? How did I break this? Hold on. I need to undo all the garbage I just did, because I don't even know what I did. Okay. One second. Sorry, my boyfriend's just sending me positive pictures right now. Oh, I love that dork. Anyways. So, all I gotta do... Oh, no, that's Queen. Go away. Can't play that on stream. They will take me down immediately. Oh, wait, that needs to be and, not or. Oops. Anyways. Okay, so if you are mutual, you're both following each other. Oh, that doesn't matter. Let's see, I need a new icon. Okay. Stream volume is really low and the volume is... Oh. My microphone's almost maxed out in the volume, but system sound I can turn up a little bit more. Though there's not a whole lot I don't actually know what the master volume is set at. Cause yeah, no, I am maxed out on the microphone volume. I'm kind of quiet, so that might just be it. I kind of talk quiet, but I just turn it up a little bit more. That helps hopefully a little bit. Anyways, right. Boop. Okay, cool. So, oops. Cool. Refresh that. There's now a messages button. It doesn't do anything, but it is there, which is good. Now if I go to someone that is not a mutual, like this random person, hey, it's not there. Cool. And then if I unfollow you, refresh the page. Okay, it's gone. Cool. Give me the funny check mark, because yes. No. The funny check mark is reserved for our developers because, well, and moderators. For reasons that are yes. Like, okay. Okay. Well, it's 10:30. So I didn't quite get this finished, but I need to kind of hop off for the night, unfortunately. So I'm gonna get this stuff committed here. But thank you guys very much for watching tonight. I hope you guys had fun. We had a pretty successful stream. We've pretty much done with messages for the most part. We just gotta finish the server-side stuff of creating a new conversation thread from scratch. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good night, and I will see you guys next time I stream.
It might seem strange,